Hello everyone! Today we're diving into the world of superfoods, and specifically one that's been making waves for its incredible health benefits. I'm talking about spirulina. So grab a seat, maybe a smoothie, and let's explore why you might want to consider supplementing with this nutrient powerhouse. First things first, what is spirulina? Spirulina is a bacteria. Don't be afraid of that word, it's a good bacteria. It's a type of blue-green algae that grows in both salt and fresh water. People have consumed it for centuries due to its high nutritional content and health benefits. But why should you consider adding spirulina to your daily routine? Spirulina is a nutritional powerhouse. It's loaded with vitamins, minerals, and protein. In fact, it's one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. Just a small amount can provide a significant portion of your daily nutrients. Let's talk about protein. Spirulina is a superior source of plant-based protein. It's a great option for vegetarians and vegans. It contains all essential amino acids, which makes it a complete protein source. If you're looking to boost your protein intake, spirulina might be the answer. Antioxidants are necessary for maintaining good health, and spirulina is packed with them. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress in the body, which is linked to various chronic diseases. By incorporating spirulina into your diet, you can give your body an extra layer of defense against free radicals. Chronic inflammation is a common issue that can lead to various health problems. Spirulina has anti-inflammatory properties, which reduce inflammation in the body. This could be particularly beneficial for those dealing with conditions like arthritis or other inflammatory disorders. Detoxification is another area where spirulina shines. It has the ability to bind to contaminants such as heavy metals and toxins in the body, aiding in their elimination. This can be especially beneficial for you if you are constantly exposed to environmental pollutants. With its rich nutrient profile, spirulina also plays a role in supporting the immune system. The vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants present in spirulina contribute to a healthy immune response, helping your body fight off infections and illnesses. Feeling sluggish? Spirulina might be the answer. Many people report increased energy levels and reduced fatigue after incorporating spirulina into their daily routine. This boost in energy is most likely due to its rich nutrient content and ability to support overall health. Now that we know the benefits, how can you incorporate spirulina into your diet? It's versatile. You can add it to smoothies, mix it into yogurt, or even sprinkle it on salads. There are also spirulina supplements available if you prefer a more convenient option. Spirulina is a nutritional powerhouse with a wide array of health benefits. From its high protein content to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, it's a fantastic addition to a healthy lifestyle. As with any supplement, it's always a good idea to check with your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. And as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave a comment down below. Stay healthy and we'll see you in the next video.